You don't ever angle enough money yet? No man, me not talk partner draw. Me mean money and more money and more money and more money. Well, this video features the 10 richest Jamaicans in 2022. Jimmy Cliff said he could see clearly now, and it is no doubt. His network stands at a whopping 10 million US dollars. Mr. Boombastic, aka Shaggy, born Orville Burrell. He sits at number 9 on the rich list of Jamaicans with a net worth of $14 million. When you think of all-inclusive resorts, Joe Issa has to come to mind. He's not only chairman of the Super Club's all-inclusive resort, but he's also chairman of the Gleaner Company. He's estimated to be worth $16 million. Chris Blackwell is what we would call in Jamaica a tapanaris. He is credited to have worked with many of the greats from the music industry, including Bob Marley, Tina Turner, Black Uhuru. He's estimated to be worth $180 million. Step into the billionaire club and we will find politician and attorney Paula K. Jarrett. She is estimated to be worth a whopping $1 million. In other words, 1 billion. The 5th richest Jamaican is the popular businessman Wayne Chen. Chen is CEO of Superplus Food Stores and has also served as chairman of NCB Insurance Company. He is believed to be worth over $1 billion. The legacy of Gordon Butch Stewart lives on. Former chairman of the Observer Company and the Sandals Resort. He has passed on his legacy to his son Adam Stewart, which is estimated to be over $1 billion. The 3rd richest Jamaican and the richest Jamaican woman is Blossom O'Mealy Nelson. She was the first Postmaster General and has held positions such as chairman of the University of Technology. She's worth over $1 billion. The 2nd richest Jamaican in 2022 is Michael Lee Chin. Michael Lee Chin is founder of Portland Holdings and serves as executive chairman of the National Commercial Bank. He's estimated to be worth $2.5 billion. And just before discovering who the richest Jamaican is in 2022, we'd just like to take this time out to ask you to remember to subscribe to our channel. We need your support. Thank you so very much. And the King of Jamaica is His Excellency Joseph Matalan. Mr. Matalan, who serves as Executive Director of the Gleaner Company and has served as Executive Director of the Bank of Nova Scotia, he's worth $3.6 billion.